A manufacturing firm uses a legacy ERP system backed by SQL Server that is incompatible with current web browsers. They want to develop a modern front end using Microsoft Power Platform to allow employees to view and update records. The company mandates that all data must stay inside the ERP database for privacy reasons and seeks to keep expenses low. Select the two components that fulfill these criteria. Option A, Dataverse. Option B, Connector. Option C, Power BI Report. Option D, Power Apps. Option E, Data Flow.
This question explores the challenge of building modern user interfaces on top of existing on-premises legacy systems. The key requirements are to enable both viewing and updating of data while strictly adhering to data residency policies that prohibit moving the data from its original SQL Server source. Additionally, the solution must be cost-effective. You need to consider how different components within the Power Platform ecosystem handle data connectivity versus data storage or data visualization.
In my view, the correct answers are Power Apps and Connector. Power Apps is the ideal solution for building a custom, modern user interface that supports both reading and writing data operations against the existing ERP. Connectors are the essential bridge that enables the Power Apps interface to communicate directly with the on-premises SQL Server database, ensuring that the information never leaves its original home, thus satisfying the strict privacy mandate.
Regarding the other options, Dataverse is incorrect because it is a separate data storage service that would require moving the data out of the ERP, violating the policy. Power BI is designed for visualization and reporting, not for transactional data entry. Finally, data flows are specialized for extract, transform, and load processes to move data, rather than providing the real-time interactivity needed here. Keep in mind that for legacy integration, connectivity is your best friend.